Can we eat it?
No.
Why?
So, pandemic. It put so many of us, in our home here in the US. And because of that, for the last few months, I've been trying to find ways to just keep myself sane by finding these little projects to work on, plant this, build that, make that 3D model in Blender, learn a new software like Fusion 360, paint this in Photoshop and learn that technique from raw straws. Awesome, by the way, raw straw, awesome. Okay, so one of the first little pandemic projects that I started on was to simply plant a little potato into the dirt, which is on the balcony in my apartment. After a few months later, which is a few days ago, I decided, it's been long enough. That thing has been sitting in the dirt and it's been growing a lot of stuff out. So I decided, hey, might as well. Maybe this is a perfect time if I could bring my kids along with me to dig it out and let them see firsthand, what harvesting anything, looks like and feel like. So we're going to uproot.
Where's the potatoes? I don't see the potatoes. I only see leaves.
Okay. So first, I'm gonna take out this composter. Wow. Look at the composter. There's so much to dig around. Good job, Sam. There's some soil. Pulling it up. Interesting. 我种白的耶 But we get tiny little red ones. Wow. I think it's 应该还在长起。哇，就是 Maybe it's still like growing. Look at that. Wow. Cool.
Where's the potatoes? Whoa! Look, I see the potatoes.
Oh, we got potatoes.
Whoa.
That's cool.
You did it! I see a tiny one. And I see a big one.
Yeah. You see a tiny one, you see a big one.
As in, it rather look like cherries. And they look more like pink.
They look like cherries. They do. Right?
Yeah.
So cool.
Are you filming this? Are you filming this? Hello!
Hi! There you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed this little family time that we had together. If you liked the video, please hit the subscribe button and hit a like if you feel like we earned that like from you. Thank you for joining us in our video. Sam, let's put that down. Bye!
Bye.